Hello, boys and girls. You just got done with your morning work, and now we're working in vocabulary. Sorry, I cut out really fast. I'm going to pull up our camera here. Let me get this little message off of our screen here. Okay. We are on to our third week of words. Okay. So on page 4, look up here, see page 4. We are going to work on the synonyms and antonyms for our 5 new words. So a synonym for the word pause, which means a short stop or rest. Something that is similar to pause is to stop or to rest. Another word could be a break. Okay. Some words that are not the same as pause, stop, rest, or break. Let's begin and start. To begin and to start would definitely not be the same as stopping and resting or pausing and taking a break. So go ahead and get those 5 words written down. Pause the video if you need to, and then come back when you're ready. We're going to go on to the next word, gasp. To breathe in quickly, gasp. So a word that would be like gasp is to inhale. Inhale quickly. Or to gulp. It kind of makes a gulping sound. Okay. Opposite of inhaling and gulping and gasping would be to exhale. Let the air out. Another word that's like exhale is blow. Blow the air out. Oh, sorry, the light's kind of funny on there. All right, so make sure you get those 4 words written down under gasp, 2 for synonyms, 2 for antonyms. Okay, pause if you need more time. We're going to flip it over to page 5. We're looking at the word ancient. Having existed for many years means it's ancient. So what would be a word that's like ancient? Well, one thing might be it's old. Might be old. Or it could be an antique. Antique. That would be something that's nice and old. Valuable because of its age. The opposite of old or antique or ancient would be young or new. They're not ancient, they're new or they're young. Okay. So pause so that you can get those written down. And then when you're done writing them, come back to our next word. Okay, our next word is observe. To watch carefully is to observe. So watch is one of our words. It's like observe. And so is notice. If you notice something, you're watching it carefully. The opposite of observe or watch or notice would be to ignore. Another word that is like ignore is overlook. If you overlook something, that means you didn't notice it. If you ignore it, that means you're not observing it. You're not paying attention to it carefully. All right, so get those 4 words written down. Pause the video if you need time to write them, because I know I can write them a lot faster. And then our last word this week is brief, meaning not very long. So like this video will be brief compared to the other videos we have today. It is not very long. So another word for brief is short. It was a brief intermission, meaning a break during a show. It was a short intermission. Also, it could be concise. It's only a certain amount of time, not very long. It's concise. The opposite of brief or short or concise is long. long. It was very long. It was extended. Went past what you would think would be a normal amount of time for something. Oh, the sun is shining in here and my alarm is going off. Goodness sakes. All right, so make sure you have all of the antonyms and synonyms written in for our 5 words for this week. Okay, there they all are. If you want to freeze this page or this spot, excuse me, in your video, you can write it all down on your page. All right, guys, nice job. And I will see you. Well, I need to see you first before I say I will see you. Let me come back over here. All right, I will see you in our next video for grammar. So you will need your grammar notebook. All right, guys, I will see you there.